Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best thermoelectric coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something portable, energy efficient, or powerful, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the TEC1 12706 Thermoelectric Cooler by DI Moore. This product stands out as a versatile component for electronic enthusiasts, ideal for DIY projects, such as building cooling systems for gaming consoles or small devices. It features a compact 40mm by 40mm design, with a maximum refrigeration power of 50 to 60 watts, making it an excellent choice for small-scale cooling applications. In terms of design and build, this thermoelectric cooler uses a Peltier module encased in aluminum, which ensures durability despite its lightweight structure. While it lacks a plug-and-play setup, its modular design allows users to integrate it into custom systems, giving you the freedom to adapt it to different projects. However, keep in mind that this is more of a component than a ready-to-use cooler, so it's not for the average consumer looking for a pre-assembled solution. Performance-wise, the TEC 12706 delivers reliable and consistent cooling for its size. However, its effectiveness heavily depends on how you implement it. Ambient temperature, heat insulation, and the specific use case all factor into its performance. It's best suited for experimentation, learning, or niche cooling needs. The downside is that it lacks the convenience and versatility of more consumer-friendly options on our list. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a tech hobbyist, this could be a great addition to your toolkit, but it's not ideal for general-purpose cooling. Coming in at number 4 is the Thermoelectric Cooler by Yosu Healthcare. This device is a step up from basic Peltier modules, offering a more robust design optimized for DIY cooling projects. With a rated voltage of 12 volts and a current of 12 amps, it provides a solid foundation for building mini fridges, cooling test benches, or even pet beds. Its large cooling block ensures greater contact with air, boosting its heat dissipation capabilities. The build quality here is commendable, with a sturdy semiconductor material and a well-thought-out design meant to maximize cooling efficiency. While it's not a plug-and-play solution, it caters to users who want to customize their cooling setup. However, this product does require some technical know-how to operate effectively, as its refrigeration success depends on factors like insulation and ambient temperature. In terms of performance, the Yosu cooler can achieve rapid cooling once powered, making it a reliable choice for small-scale cooling needs. That said, it's not a comprehensive solution for larger applications or casual users without technical expertise. This product is ideal for tinkerers and DIY enthusiasts who want to experiment with semiconductor cooling systems. Just be aware that it's not as beginner-friendly or versatile as some of the higher-ranked products on this list. At number 3, we have the upgraded laptop cooling pad with Thermoelectric Cooler by QuickGuard. This product is perfect for gamers and professionals who want to keep their laptops running cool during intensive tasks. What makes this cooling pad unique is its high-strength thermoelectric cooler, which uses the Peltier effect for rapid cooling. Add to that 4 powerful fans with speeds of up to 2800 RPM. And you have a versatile cooling solution that works for laptops ranging from 14 to 21 inches. The design is sleek and modern, with RGB ambient lighting that adds a stylish touch to your setup. The 6 adjustable height levels and stable base make it ergonomic for long work or gaming sessions. Plus, the LCD display allows you to conveniently control fan speeds and lighting modes. The build quality is solid, with a durable plastic frame that feels sturdy and reliable. In terms of performance, this cooling pad excels at maintaining low laptop temperatures, even during resource-heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. The fans run quietly at under 20 decibels, ensuring minimal noise disturbance. However, this product is somewhat niche. It's specifically designed for laptops, so it's not as versatile as some of the other options on this list. Still, for laptop users looking for a premium cooling pad, this is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator, a fantastic option for campers, road trippers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With its compressor cooling technology, this portable fridge can cool down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. and even reach -5 degrees when needed. This eliminates the need for ice, giving you more space for food and drinks while avoiding the mess of melted water. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 22.3 pounds, and it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. It's compatible with 12V, 24V DC, and 110V to 240V AC, making it versatile enough for use in cars, RVs, and even at home. Its low power consumption, operating at just 36 watts on eco mode, ensures it won't drain your vehicle's battery. Additionally, the 45 dB low noise level ensures it won't disrupt your sleep during overnight stays. What sets this product apart is its battery protection system, which prevents your car battery from being drained. It's a high-performance cooler that offers excellent reliability and energy efficiency. However, its higher price point and smaller 23-quart capacity make it less ideal for larger groups or extended trips. If you're looking for a high-quality portable fridge for personal or small family use, the BougeRV is a solid choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Igloo iceless thermoelectric cooler, a tried-and-true option for those seeking a versatile, reliable, and affordable cooling solution. This 40-quart cooler is powered by a 12-volt DC plug, making it perfect for road trips, camping, and tailgating. Its ability to cool up to 38 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature ensures your food and drink stay fresh without the need for ice. The design is practical and user-friendly. It can be used upright like a fridge or laid down like a chest, depending on your needs. The adjustable food shelf or divider allows you to organize its contents efficiently. Built with durable polypropylene and insulated with polyurethane foam, the cooler is designed to last through years of outdoor adventures. In terms of performance, the Igloo cooler delivers consistent cooling, and its built-in fan circulates cold air evenly. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and lightweight at just under 19 pounds. While it doesn't reach freezing temperatures like some compressor models, its affordability, lightweight build, and solid performance make it the best overall option for most users. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or need a portable cooling solution for your car, the Igloo iceless thermoelectric cooler is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.